Good morning to all students. So, today our lecture is insect wing and wing venation. So, insect wing, its venation, modification and wing coupling mechanism. So, first of all, introduction about wings. Based on the presence or absence of wings, the subclasses of insects are divided into two types. First class is Apterogyta and second is Pterogytes. So, uh, another word for Apterogyta is Endopterogytes and Exopterogytes. Endopterogytes is insect wings are present outside the body, inside the body, and in exopterogytes the wings are developed in outside the insect body. So primitive apterogytes are wingless. Example, silverfish. Apterogytes are wingless, and example is silverfish and springtail. So here we see in silverfish larva and in springtails, in larval stage, the insect's wings are absent. So wing arises from forewings and hind wings. Sometimes wings may be reduced in pterogytes. In coccids, only males are winged, and aphids may or may not the wings are present. Based on the degree of development of wings, the insect may classified into Macropterus, Bacropterus, and Ectopterus. In the areas in anterior upper part of the wing toward costal margin, where more know of longitudinally veins are present, is called rheginium. The posterior part of the wing, where veins are sparsely distributed in known as vernal area, which is called as a clavus in forewings and venous in hindwings. So this is a wing structure. So in wing structure, the part which is attached in the thoracic region is called humeral angle, and the last apical region of the insect wing is called apical angle, and the portion which are attached in the abdominal region and in the anal portion, the wing structure is known as anal margin, and here is a anal angle and apical margin. Venation. Venation wings are stranded by a number of hollow, narrow tubular structure called veins. In the wing structure, there is a small veins are present, which is called wing venation. Arrangement of vein on wing surface is known as wing venation. The arrangement of veins on the structure of the wing is known as wing venation. So wing venation is of two types. First, longitudinally wing venation, and another one is cross vein wing venation. So, in wing venation, there are different types of regions are present, costal margin region and other different region in longitudinal veins and also as in cross veins. So, these different regions are, first region is costa, second region is subcosta, third region is radial vein, fourth region is media, fifth reason is cubitus, and sixth reason is anal vein. So the short form of costa is C, subcosta short form is SC, and radial vein is R, media is M, cubitus is CU, and anal vein A. So, costa region C, thickened anterior margin of the wing, unbranched and convex. The costa is a unbranched region, unbranched margin, and present in the anterior margin of the wings, anterior margin of the wing. Subcosta is immediately below दी कॉस्टा। सब कॉस्टा है जो बिल्कुल आपको कॉस्टा रीजन के बिल्कुल नीचे बिलो साइड पे दिखेगा। और दिस रीजन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, SC1 and SC2. So costa is only unbranched, no C1, no C2. But in subcosta region, there are the subcosta region is divided into two portions, SC1 and SC2. Next is radial vein R. It is divided into R1 and RS, radial circuit. First of all, it is divided into 5 branches, R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. First of all, R1 branch touches apical margin and RS concave and divided into 4 branches. Then again R1 is divided into 4 branches. Next is media. Media is anterior convex and media posterior is concave. Media anterior is divided into, media is MA1 and MA2. So media posterior. So firstly media is divided into two parts. First, media anterior, media frontal and medial posterior, media posterior region. So first of all, media anterior is divided into two regions, MA1 and second is MA2. Same, media posterior divided into two, MP1 and MP2. Next is cubitus. This is C2. Cubicus divided into convex and concave. There is no anterior and posterior region in cubitus. So cubitus is divided into convex and concave. So CU1 is divided into CU1 and CU1B. So there is no division of CU2, only division of CU1A and CU1B. Next is anal vein A, convex, individual and unbranched. Anal vein and first costa vein, both are unbranched veins. So this is a complete structure. First is a costa. We already discussed costa is a unbranched structure. So there is a no division in a costa brain. Second is SC. So in SC there is a division, SC1 division and SC2 division. So next is RS. RS is divided into 4 portions, radius, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Next is media. Media is anterior media and exterior media, posterior media, M1 and M2, MP1, MP2, media posterior 1, media posterior 2, then media posterior 3, media posterior 4. Then is cubitus. Cubitus is divided, cubitus, only cubitus 1 is divided. Cubitus 1 is divided into two regions, cubitus 1 CU1A and CU1B, CU2 unbranched. Last is anal. Anal branch is unbranched, but there is a structure divided into three regions, A1, A2 and A3. Cross veins and longitudinal veins of wing venation structure. So, different types of wings in insect. First wing is Tagimina, second is Elytra, third is Hymelytra, fourth is membranous, fifth is scaly wing, sixth is fringed wing, seventh is frugosed wing, eighth is halters, ninth is pseudohalters. So first is Tagmina. Four wings are leathery and tough. So in Tagmina, four wings, जो four wings behind wings है, वो क्या होंगे, लेदरी होंगे. एंड एग्जाम्पल इज कॉकरोच एंड ग्रासहोपर. Second is elytra. The elytra wings present in beetles. This is a beetle. Elytra wing is present in beetles. Elytra wings are hard without clear venation. In this type of wings, the wing venation is not cleared. So, elytra wings are present in beetles. Next is hemelytra. Hemelytra wings are present in bugs. And in this type of wings, these type of wings are thick and half membranous structure. Next is membranous. So, membranous wings are present in grasshoppers and dragonflies. So, main thing in membranous wings, the wing venation is clear in membranous wings. So, here we can see clear wing venation in membranous wings. Next is scaly wings. Scaly wings are present in moth and butterflies. In these types of wings are colorful and scales are present in wings. Fringed wings are present in thrips. These wings are very reduced types of wing venation, and only long marginal hairs like feathers are present. So in fringed wings, hair-like, feather-like wings are present. In physault wings, wings are longitudinally divided twice, and these types of wings are in plume moth are present, but they are useful for flight. This type of wings are very useful for flight. Next is halters. Halters, the hind wings of housefly are modified into small microscopic structure called halters and divided into 3 regions. So these are well balanced in structure. Halters are act as a balancers. So these types of wings are present in house flies. So next is pseudo-halters. Pseudo-halters, like false structures of halters, are present in front wings of Streptostera. So these all about the wing venation, and different types of the insect wings are present. So in next lecture, we are studied about the digestive system of the insects. Okay. Thank you. Thank you to all.